Hi everybody, this is me, Jara B, and I want to welcome you to my channel. Today's video is going to be what's in my bag on this Kipling Clara handbag in the color Kind Rose. You see her here? Here's the front. The side where I attached this cute little heart charm. Here's the back. Here's the other side. And here's the bottom. Okay. And the top has two like shoulder straps here. And the Kipling logo up front and center, all proud and everything. All right, and then it has a shoulder strap here that you see, which is detachable. Dog clamps here, and I am going to take these off for purposes of the video. I do carry the strap with me when I'm out and about, because I can make the strap crossbody as well. Okay, so I'll start with the back. I have my phone. Okay, so here in the front there's a zippered pocket here, and I just have my keys. And that is all. And in this pocket up front, I have tissue. The other pocket here, I have my AirPods. Then let's see if I can give you guys an overview of the inside. Double zipper here at the top, and this is what it's looking like from the top view. Look at that. I think that's pretty. Okay, so we'll start at the back. There's a zippered section, and here is the card. That's the name of the bag. So that is all that I have in the back zippered pocket. And then I have this pouch here that has my cotton nail wipes and my wet ones. And then I wanted to show you guys this wallet, and I got this wallet at Dollar General for $8. I was really attracted to the color and the elephant, and the style of this continental style wallet reminded me of reminds me of South Asian art, but in pastel color with the elephant motif. Just reminded me of something from South Asian, the Indian South Asian culture. So anyway, oh, and then here we have, I put a Shein charm on it, and has a little bell. Can y'all see that? Okay, and then in the inside of the wallet, it has 8 card slots in total. It has front and back slots. So that's the wallet. I thought it was cute, just for $8, kind of fun. Then I have my eyeglass case, my double eyeglass case. Then I have this cute little backpack that I just purchased not too long ago from Staples. And in the inside of here, I have some gum and some mints. I just think this is so cute. Then I have this little silicone coin case here. And I am using it for actual coins. Then I have a silicone pouch that I'm using as my catch-all pouch, sort of like. And in here I have my usual carry. I have a mask in here, my face sponge, wipes, bandages, stuff like that I decided to just throw in here. I really like this silicone material and these little fidget pop things. I think this is so cute and so fun. So yeah, I tried to make that kind of go together and just have a fun little carry here. Then I have a pocket knife. And I do have a little list of things to buy. And then on the inside pockets, I have on the first pocket this Hemp's Buttercream Birthday Cake Lotion that I'm really into right now. And then I have fire, a lighter, and then a perfume that I probably am going to try to finish up here. This is Dolce & Gabbana, the only one. This is a spray. And then there's a pen pocket here. I have this ink pen that I purchased from Dollar Tree. That is the worst writing pen that I've had in years. It skips, and yeah, it barely writes, but it's cute and it's fun looking. And then the other slip pocket, I have my lip products. I have my MAC Prep and Prime lip primer. I have my MAC lip gloss. And what else? A couple of more things. I have my NYX Strawberry Cheesecake Butter Gloss and a EOS lip balm. So that is all I had her packed with. So here's everything I have packed in this Kipling Clara satchel bag. She's so cute, so fun. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed watching. Y'all take care, and until next time, peace.